why attach a makeup sponge to a drill? To polish your shoes the smart way. This guy saw his girlfriend throwing away one of those teardrop-shaped sponges used to blend makeup and thought to reuse it for his own purposes. Look how good his shoes look, shiny like mirrors, and without any effort or getting his hands dirty. Tell me in the comments what you thought of this trick.
Have you ever wondered how a pair of bespoke luxury shoes is created? In this video, we invite you to immerse yourself in the fascinating world of craftsmanship. The journey begins with the precise taking of the foot mold, capturing every detail for a perfect fit. From there, the hard work begins. The millimeter-precise cutting of the sole, the selection and assembly of the chosen leather or material pieces. Various specialized tools and equipment, such as polishers and riveters, become allies in this process. Creativity plays a fundamental role, guiding the choice and combination of colors and textures. A knowledge of fashion can be invaluable, especially when imagining designs that defy convention. At the end of the video, we witness the culmination of this journey, the unveiling of the finished shoes, a unique pair that reflects the personality and style of its owner.
These rubber puzzle mats used to be part of a child-proof floor. But now, this creative man is putting them to a new and unexpected use, making shoes for his friend. After carefully tracing the outline of a woman's foot, he begins cutting the mats layer by layer. He then shapes each layer to fit the shoe. Using a vegetable grater, he removes any imperfections. All that's left is to glue the shoe together and try it on. The man behind these incredible shoes is a self-taught designer and artist who loves to experiment with new materials and techniques. He is always looking for ways to create unique and stylish pieces that are also sustainable and environmentally friendly. This project is a perfect example of his creativity and resourcefulness. I think Lady Gaga herself would be jealous of these eye-catching sandals. This project is a reminder that anyone can be creative. So what are you waiting for?
How to make your favorite shoes look like fish skin. Let's see this girl's work. She cut out the piece of skin she needed from a fish she had for dinner. The problem now is to glue it to the shoe, but for that she has to cure the skin. Once the skin is cured, she can finally begin the process of attaching it to the shoe. Then she must take the pattern of the shoe. After that, she has to glue the skin very carefully so as not to break it. She uses a strong adhesive to ensure that the skin is firmly attached to the shoe. Once this step is done, a special layer is applied to make the skin last a long time. It will also give the skin a glossy finish. Finally, it is given the iridescent color characteristic of a beautiful fish. To contrast, the sole of the shoes is painted in a strong and striking color. Here is the finished work. Great, don't you think?